Hi everyone, hope you are all doing well. Happy Carnival season! Team AJ is bringing you along to another parade tonight. Han, tell them which parade we're going to see tonight.
Le Fous du Carnaval.
So last year, I wasn't able to attend because I was at another event with our friends, the Krewe of Dolly. But tonight we're here together.
This is a mixture of crews. There's no single captain, it's everybody coming together to project their vision. You're gonna see a little bit of a Casket Girl. You're gonna see a little bit of a bottom. I'm gonna leave that alone. You may see some goddesses walking around, some belly dancers, amongst many other attractions. So stick around, this parade is amazing, and this is just the beginning of our Mardi Gras coverage of 2025. We're 3 parades in, and many more to go.
You might recognize this beautiful person. She was in our mermaid parade videos and also was on the thumbnail. We're gonna let her introduce herself because she's truly talented. She's so beautiful and she's an awesome person.
Oh, wait a second. Stop talking. Look at this outfit.
Do you know where we are?
That is gorgeous. And look at the headpiece. And what's crazy is, I don't want to ruin it. I'll let her tell you what's crazy about this.
What's up, y'all? My name is Dartania. I am a crochet fiber artist. I use crochet to highlight Black women in history. This is my version of honoring the African goddess Hathor.
Beautiful. Look at how stunning.
All made by me.
All made. That's the secret I was getting at. Because look at this headpiece. This is all handmade by this beautiful lady right here.
How long did it take you to make this?
For my historical pieces, 1 month. It allows me to do research on who I'm honoring here so that when I'm done doing all that research, whatever I find out is up for grabs.
Absolutely amazing. All your work. I know we also follow her on TikTok and you do absolutely beautiful work and you're always so much fun to hang out with.
Thank you, y'all.
So where can we find you on social media?
You can find me on TikTok at Darty's Corner, Instagram at Darty's Corner, YouTube at Darty's Corner, Patreon at Darty's Corner, Red Note at Darty's Corner. Yeah, Darty's Corner.
So you got YouTube now too?
I do, yes.
You go, girl.
Are you ready for a parade?
We are always ready for a Mardi Gras parade or a parade throughout the year here in our city, New Orleans, because we always do have parades. So let's go have a great time. Hope you guys enjoy this, and we're excited for Carnival season 2025. So for those that did not see our snow video, our first home vlog, we are collecting things for our Mardi Gras Christmas tree. So my husband got this, and the pencils on the back.
Bottoms up.
There you go.
Because we're all about it for Top Golf.
Yes, also, we got some beautiful oysters, and it says kind. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. We've never got any of these, right, hon? I don't think we've ever got an oyster. Then we got this. Look at how beautiful this is. So thank you guys. We are definitely gonna hold on to this and treasure this and somehow try to see if we can put it on a tree, but we don't want it to break.
I'll make it work.
Yeah, we're gonna be creative, but thank you guys so much. That is an awesome parade. I watched the video last year because I wasn't here with my husband, and I was like, boy, that is so much fun. So glad that I got to be here with him this year, and we didn't have any other thing going on because we got to both enjoy this. So thank you guys for an awesome parade. We appreciate you. Thank you for everyone that was part of our video. So we're going to say goodnight from Frenchman Street. Thank you for an awesome parade. We always appreciate you all. And my husband's going to say,
Les ponts relais.
let the good times roll here on Frenchman Street.